Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this quick video I'll show you how to use Hostinger maintenance mode. As you know, my website is using Hostinger hosting, so this video is specifically for people who use Hostinger, and if you're not using Hostinger, you can follow other videos and you can do this very easily. But if you are with Hostinger, this makes the life very simple. So as you know, I have the channel name website and it's not ready at the moment. I have some issues with the site that I need to rebuild. So I don't want the viewers and the people to see this under construction website. So to do this, you will open your WordPress dashboard. How you can open your WordPress dashboard? That is very easy. You can just go to your website /wp-admin, and since the website is already open here, if you want to do this from the Hostinger HPanel, just open the Hostinger HPanel and go to your website, and from the dashboard you can click on WordPress admin. Okay, and once this is open, you need to navigate to Hostinger. So every Hostinger hosting comes with a special add-ons. The plugin is pre-installed, so you can see we are at the Hostinger page on our WordPress website. So it's giving me some offer. I'm not interested at the moment. So we are at the onboarding page where you will just set up. So you need to go to tools, and from here just scroll down and enable the maintenance mode. And once this is enabled, your website will not be viewed like this. This is because I'm visiting the website from the same browser. Let's say I open a incognito. In this window it will show as coming soon, and there are a lot of plugins that will help you customize this. But if you are working on the site and it's for a very short period of time, this is the best option for Hostinger users. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.